guys, welcome back to the channel. Later on, you'll see exactly why this happened and how Rich Boy got a tint. But first, let's dive in to this week's vlog.
We're at Premier Car Audio and Styling in Fort Neath. We're coming here to get the windows tinted on the amphibious boat car. There's nowhere else to go apart from these guys. But let's see, let's get it in and let's get the windows done. I need to get this tinted. I've been recommended to come to you guys.
I mean, a boat car. One of those ones that we've never really done before. You know, we're always willing to give it a go. We have never done a boat car before, but we'll definitely do it and get it right.
Fantastic. Right, so Rich Boy is going to get done by Premier Car Audio and Styling, and they're going to get this bad boy looking good. These guys are good, so I expect no less. Right, so Premier Audio Styling is known for doing stereos, hi-fis, all that kind of stuff, modifications. And I don't know, many of you obviously probably won't know they do tints. So yeah, no matter where you are in the country, they'll do a really good job. The guys here are 100% on their work. They do not mess about. They get it done, and your car will look absolutely amazing. So I'm just showing you before a picture walking around Columbus. So cleaning wise, just usual stuff, just normal, just water. Yeah. The car's nearly done. It's looking amazing.
Flesh. Ring so big you can't even see my face. Ballin' on the court, make 'em chase. Buzzer beater, shot clock, first place. Got 'em running plays like they running in a race. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball.
What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Rowan?
Can it actually go in water?
Now you know that it can be done. Yeah, a boat car, window tinting. Before, it looked like a fish bowl. It was just clear, you could just look right through, see everything. Now you know it can be done.
I've never had Rich Boy called a fish bowl before. That's different.
No, but it's, no, yeah.
No, it was, to be fair, it was like a glass bowl, and getting very hot in there. There was no privacy because everyone wants to take pictures. You guys have done a fantastic job. Car Audio and Styling, Fort Neath, London. You need to come down here, check out. They can do boat cars. It's not often you get to say boat cars. Yeah, but not only that, they got obviously your amplifiers, subs, all that kind of stuff, number plates.
Yeah.
Come down here, check out Rohan, Amir and the team, and they'll sort you out. Thank you very much.
No worries, man.
Yeah,
Anytime.
and we're back hopefully for a sound system. Let's see what happens.
Make a fall, win the game. Break his ankles, what you doing in my lane? Hit him with an alley-oop, now they screaming out my name.
After getting the boat car windows tinted at Premier Car Audio, we set off for Crewe. While at the Slipway, we encountered a guy struggling to get his boat out of the water. Given all the tricky situations we faced while boating, we had to lend a hand. What we didn't realise at this time was that the boat was actually sinking. The boat had capsized on its side. As we assisted, we got talking with the owner's friends who were from Colombia. The wind is pulling it. Yeah, it is. It is. That's better.
Oh, that's better. My friend. That's why it was too thick. The outside is easier now. That's it, yeah, easy now. That's it. That's better.
Oh, more water's coming out.
Yeah, let more water.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hold on a minute. Hold on, let the water come out. Wait. Wait at the boat. Yeah, it's close to the centre now.
Yeah.
Get rid this up.
Unless
A lot of water.
that's a lot. Yeah. Yeah, it's been there all night.
Oh, it's been here all night? Oh.
It's been here all night. Yeah.
Oh, right.
That's a lot of water, man.
I should stop by now, but I don't know, it might be full the whole. Maybe water for the rain or maybe or something. Is this one? I forget. And then trailer ready. To the car. Then just in case try and get it out. Yeah. That's strange.
Then what's going on there?
That's not it. I should stop by now.
Oh. Look, Chris, be careful. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Running, take some water. Huh?
There's water in there. Yeah.
Coming in or is it just draining?
Unless the drive, there's a damage there because it's been there overnight.
Yeah, yeah. Battery dead? Battery no good? Yeah. See?
Very fast though.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Colombian?
Yeah, what's it like? The fashion clothes good?
Yes, it's
It's good as UK?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
But because you are in summer, we live in summer everywhere. We start to make
Yeah.
dresses.
Right? It is good. That's brilliant.
We
Oh my god. It's shoes. The drive is getting stuck again.
I don't know why they have a lot of
So you take the boat first down. You can walk on the trailer.
Pull the boat in. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's a lot easier. We'd like to get along the road to the beach, push it out and then pull it up.
I wonder if they could borrow some from the yacht club.
That's why it's nice, you've got a slipway which has got the wall
Yeah.
that stops the tide.
Yeah.
It's difficult on here.
Yeah.
Poke car, don't get that.
No, I know. You don't have any issues. Just drive in and drive out. Oh my god.
That's sinking.
Maybe it's the drive?
In the engine,
Yeah.
we pulled the
Yeah.
engine or something like that.
It's caught on the floor.
Yeah, something happened there.
I
No,
think
no, it's before.
it looks like it's banged
before.
on the floor.
No, but it's before.
No, not just now.
Oh.
I mean like overnight.
Oh,
He's been probably, you know, the waves has probably been lapping up and just hit
Yeah,
it,
but the,
bang,
yeah,
bang,
but the
bang.
transom goes onto the back of then, so I doubt it. I doubt we're there.
I don't know, I think I saw like a small gap between the engine and the
In the
wall
back.
thing.
Small
Yeah.
gap?
Maybe
So
there's
there
a
was
small gap.
small gap there.
Bit, a little
Oh,
crack.
it's not a big problem.
No, no, no. That'll be fixed.
So maybe just tie something, right?
Oh?
Maybe just tie
No.
like a
No,
What do you mean?
screw or something like that.
no.
Maybe. Has there anything been repaired recently?
No.
No. When you get out, you look.
Or maybe fiberglass. You may need just a bit of fiberglass to seal it.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah.
See where the hole is. If
Yeah.
not,
Finally!
thrilled to find ourselves clapping for a damaged boat. But this wasn't just any boat. It was a sinking vessel that we had happened to rescue at just the right moment.
It's got one before. My friend. Chanson, the water's coming out.
You see that's the gap that I say.
Yeah, it's got a hole there. It's Right, so guys, we hope some guys get out of the water.
What an adventure. Oh my God, we did not expect this.
And it was sinking, so
Chris has literally nearly fell in the water as well.
so that foot went in. But,
Oh my God.
but that's a lot of water. That's so we saved the boat. So we've the boat was sinking literally. So we saved the boat, and you can see it's full of water. It's still coming out, but at least it's gonna go.
No, it's fine.
They take the chance off, redo the back, put new bolts.
Oye, ¿tú puedes creer que ella tiene 3 hijos? Mira esto.
We can't believe that you have three kids.
3 kids.
Kids?
Yeah.
3 kids? Oh my
I know,
God.
yeah.
Oh
three.
my God.
Oh, four kids. Four me.
You are the big.
Organize my ideas.
How long have you been here?
3 days.
3 days.
Oh, you've just come as well.
2 days.
Oh, so you're going to go back as well? Oh, I thought you were living here.
It's our Euro trip
Oh, Euro
No,
trip.
because
European trip.
with friends.
Ah, got
For
you.
example,
Antonio and
David.
what's his name?
David.
David. Oh, okay.
When one of our friends
Yeah.
arrived until Friday,
Yeah, over here, Barcelona,
Lisboa,
Lisbon, right?
Madrid with she,
Yeah,
and then they come to London
right.
and
For the weekend.
Okay,
for the
cool.
weekend.
Okay,
And we return to Barcelona, and after we go to Costa Brava.
Okay.
We go to Valencia. We return to a party to Barcelona. And
right.
after
So you guys have been going everywhere.
Yeah, I return to Madrid.
Okay.
She's going to stay in Barcelona and traveling to Bogota, Colombia.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date on all the preparations for our epic EU road trip.